Welcome, welcome to yet another episode of our ongoing cocktail series here at Alley 26. This drink we're going to make in this episode is called Down the Rabbit Hole, because we're kind of going down the rabbit hole of a myriad of variations on the whiskey sour. In this one, we're going to use a little ginger and a little blueberry syrup that we make here, some fresh lemon, an egg white. There's the whiskey. We have a Rittenhouse bonded, and just for spice, a little OFTD. That's Plantation's Overproof. It's going to be delicious. I think you're going to like it, which is why we're making it for you. Okay, so we're going to make the, as far as the sweeteners go, the blueberry is going to kind of lead the charge, and we'll have the ginger just kind of, make it interesting on the back end. So we'll use a ½ ounce of blueberry and ¼ ounce of ginger. The ginger's nice, and there's nothing else in it. There's nothing else in either of these syrups except for basically what's on the label. It's blueberries, sugar, water, or ginger, sugar, and water, and just the way we make the ginger has a lot of nice ginger spice. So I'm really happy with how that's coming out these days. And some fresh lemon juice. There's 3/4 of an ounce to be precise. Now, this overproof rum is 69% alcohol or 138 proof. It's really good. It's flavorful. If you water it down, it has a lot of really nice flavor. If you drink it right at proof, you'll notice that it's 69% alcohol. So, go with God. There's just a quick ¼ ounce of that right on top. And a full shot or 1.5 ounces of Rittenhouse Rye. Rittenhouse is a bonded rye. Bonded means a goodly number of things, but most importantly, when you're making a cocktail, it means it's 100 proof. Bonded spirits are always 100 proof. So what we're going to do is give this an ice shake first. Nice shake. And then I'm going to strain this into here. So we got a nice cold liquid here. And into that cold liquid, we're going to put our egg white. I like to think of egg white cocktails as kind of like making meringue. And if you're making meringue, you don't make it in a warm bowl. Wash your hands. Okay. Before we get these together, we're going to get our object glass. Nice chilled glass. We've said this a goodly number of times when you're making an egg white drink. Doesn't matter how hard you shake it. You're really going for the kind of the bouncy throw, and it's not shaking for a set number of times or a set number of shakes. You're just shaking until you can feel the fluff, when it starts to get cloudy, airy. Oh yeah, we're getting close, we're getting close. There you go. I like to put it through this fine mesh strainer. You'll probably know from previous installments, because if I've cracked the egg in there and any of the little bits of egg shell fall in the glass and I don't see them, I'd get them in the strainer. Oh. A lot of times with egg white drinks, you'll put little bits of aromatic bitters on top. It'll give it a really nice nose. I'm not going to do that this time, because the blueberry syrup gives this such an amazing nose that you really don't want anything getting in the way. Happy travels going down the rabbit hole.